If you use AI tools while coding, you are constantly prompting. While one prompt is running, you are already thinking about the next few. Those ideas get scattered or forgotten, and honestly, it's simply annoying to wait for the AI to finish tasks while you're mentally sitting on 30 more of them. This is where prompt garden comes into play. It is a Visual Studio Code extension for developers who use AI and find themselves in this predicament. It captures prompt ideas as they come up, saves prompts that work, and keeps your instructions consistent without breaking flow. As the name implies, water and grow your garden of prompts. The first feature is this backlog. This is for what is still on your mind while the AI is handling another task. Instead of holding those ideas in your head or dumping them into notes, you drop them here right next to your code. Let me show you what that looks like. I have a Python file here that just prints hello, and I'm thinking of adding a few new things to it. This extension prevents me from forgetting any follow-up tasks or losing context while I wait for responses. I'm going to, let's say, print an ASCII cat and add a math function. I've made a little to-do list here. It's dynamic and can get updated at any time. I'll go ahead and select my tasks in the order of priority to me. Those get appropriately numbered and now will be sent off to my coding tool by copying it here. Awesome. Note that this is an example that is fairly trivial and not the best use of AI, but it does demonstrate that multiple backlogged items can be batched and run, co-opting AI's ability to think step by step to achieve many things in one go. And now that those tasks are done, I can just go ahead and delete them. Now, what if you have prompts that you consistently reuse? You can just store them here in this second section of generic prompts. These two actually come with the extension, but you can modify them as you would with the thoughts, and note that editing is done by clicking this shear icon, kind of like pruning and shearing in a garden. And lastly, we have an auto-append suffix feature, and I find this to be really useful. Here's how it works. If I have auto-append on, I will see my constraints always applied to the end of the prompt, hammering home exactly what I want without assuming that rules or random preferences in memory will kick in. So I'm going to go ahead and add a thought, just to test, and I will put it up here, select it, and turn auto-append on. Now when I copy and paste into my coding tool, I see that my suffix is applied. There are a couple of extras that I just wanted to point out. One is auto-capitalization. It's the double A here. And what that does is it will capitalize all of your prompts after the fact. This is very efficient, and I find that all caps often leads to more direct responses, and that really saves time. You can also export everything in its current state to GitHub Gist or JSON so that your prompts are portable and backed up. So I'm signed into my GitHub account here. If you don't want to sign into GitHub, you can just export to your local JSON as well, but I'm going to go ahead and look at my gist. There we go, and we see it's live and updated with the time, and everything is where it should be. So to sum up, for me, this extension really means fewer forgotten tasks, fewer repeated prompts, and a lot less context switching. It is free, and the link and extension ID are in the description. Thank you.